Hello, and welcome to the Funeral Program site. In this video, we will be featuring how to add more pages using our easy online editor. For this demonstration, we will be using our Pine Trees design. Our online editor funeral program templates are formatted on one sheet printed front and back or a four-sided program. You are able to add as many pages as you need. First, open your online editor template. Scroll down to the bottom of the second page. Page 2 displays the inside pages of your program. Typically, you will duplicate this page in order to add more internal pages. If you want to add an additional sheet of paper or make it an 8-sided program, you will need to add 2 pages within the template. To start adding pages, click on the paper icon to the right of the page number at the bottom of the template. Choose Duplicate Page so it copies all the contents and background to a new page. Selecting the Add page will result in an additional blank page, and the background nor its contents will be carried over. You may find this helpful when adding a collage page. Once you've duplicated, you can edit the text as you like or add more photos. It's important to note that after you create more pages, the order you see on the screen is not the order in which it folds. It's best to print out the program after adding pages so you can see the order of your contents on each side. If you need further assistance, our customer support is always ready to help. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, only here at thefuneralprogramsite.com.